Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Jeep Patriot. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the bright white, and who doesn't love a nice pretty white car? You got the Jeep logo right up front here, and you do have halogen headlights right there, as well as the fog lights hanging out just down there. And around the side here we do have 16-inch rims with Goodyear brand tires, and they look great. There's still lots of tread left on them as well. They'll get you where you're going. It does have the heated exterior mirrors as well right there, and you do have the Patriot logo right down there. Your handles are in the white, same with the rest of the vehicle, and back here you do have the Jeep logo and the North logo right there. Now as long as it is unlocked, there is just a button right here, and you just pull it and it opens right up. Now you do got quite a bit of room back here as well. It is quite soft, so it won't be scratching anything up. You can fold the seats forward as well, and then you can put something else a little bit longer in there. You got a bit of extra storage there. You can lift this guy up, and your spare tire is under there if you do ever need it. And then to close it back up, you do got a handle right here, which is nice, so you don't have to put fingerprints on your vehicle. Let's jump on in here. So we got our keys. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have your panic button down there. But let's unlock and jump on in. So on your door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there, as well as you got a handle right here, bit of storage down here, and you do have a little bit of that chrome accenting on your handle there. You do also have the controls over your high beams and your low beams and all of your light control right here and your fog lights. Okay, on the inside now, let's put the keys in the ignition and start her up. Very nice. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. In the center there, it does tell you how many kilometers this vehicle has been, which is only 50,000. That's not very much at all. You do also have what gear we're in, and then you can also change that from your from the kilometers to your trip A and your trip B, and then what the temperature is outside, and back to the start. That is all controlled from right here. You got those buttons right there, as well as you got your horn in the middle, and you have your cruise control options on the other side. And that guy is the controls over your windshield wipers as well. Now, a cool thing about the vents is they can actually turn whichever way you want, and then they can face anywhere, and they can blow air wherever you want, which is really nice. It helps a lot. And then in the center here, you do have your radio, so you do have your seek options, your FM and your AM, your disc, you got your aux cord plug-in, and then your forward and reverse, as well as you can change the time and eject it. You got your on here, and you can turn the volume up and down. Then you have your browser right there, your presets along the bottom, and then that's how you set them. And then you also got your aux cord right there. This guy here is your climate control, so you got your power up and down, you have the push in for circulation, AC plus the heat, and then you also have your defrost and where it's going to blow out of. And then down here you do have your traction control options and your hazard lights plus a little bit of storage. And this guy is your control over your gears, and you do got a little plug-in right there as well. In the center here, we do have our cup holders plus our emergency brake, and you do have a bit more storage in here. And then you do have a dual layer center console here. So you got the top layer, does double as an armrest, and then you got the bottom layer right there, and you do have a plug-in over here as well. Over here you do, oh, that's bright. Over here you do have a little storage container up here, and you do got your glove box just down here, which will have your owner's manual in it as well. And then up top here, oh, hello. Up top you do have some lights right here, which are very bright as well. Let's jump in the back here and take a look. On the door here, they do have control over their own windows, of course. A handle here, you got your speaker here, and then you also have a bit of storage in here. And there's a lot of room back here as well, plus it is very soft. Feels very nice, and you do have the kind of different colors, which stands out very nicely. You do got your cup holders right down there as well. You can pull these guys, and it will fold forward just like this. And then you got even more room up here. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Jeep Patriot. If you want to come take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.